Welcome to the channel, guys. In today's video we are going to discuss how to trade ICC plus CCT strategy on 4-hour and 5-minute time frames. So basically the strategy is same. First of all, we will be on the higher time frame, and on second candle we will be looking for the market to close above the high of the first candle. After it closes above the high of first candle, we will mark the high with the trend line, and then we will move to the lower time frame for the other confirmations before entry. On lower time frame, we are looking for the three things. The first is the market should close below this 1 hour line. So after market closes below, it should change its direction, and then it close above this line, and also it should close above the lowest closing candle of this whole retracement. So this candle closes above this line, and then this candle closes above the high of lowest closing candle. So this is where we will enter our trade, and then we will put our stop loss at the most recent low of this retracement, and then we target the high of second candle as our TP. So this is it. This is basically the whole strategy. Now for the 4-hour and 5-minute time frame, we have some important points that we should know before trading this model on 4-hour and 5 minutes. So these are some important points. Since we are trading the higher time frame, we can add the pairs that we can trade with this strategy. So here is the list of all the pairs that we can trade on 4-hour and 5 minutes. These pairs are not as volatile as gold, but they are volatile enough to trade on 4-hour and 5 minutes. Also, the time during which we can trade increases as we move to the higher time frames. So the time during which we can trade this strategy on 4-hour and 5 minutes will be between 6 p.m. and 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The next important thing is the thing that we should avoid trading on this 4-hour and 5-minute strategy. So the first thing is that we should not try to trade this on other pairs, and the second thing is we should not look for any trade during 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. because the spreads are wide during these time of the day. Now let's discuss an example of this strategy. So here you can see this candle closes below the low of previous candle. So we have marked out the previous candle's low, and now we are going to the low time frame to look for a possible entry. So now we are on the lower time frame, and we will be looking for our entry conditions to meet, and then we will enter our trade. Let's make this faster. So the market is still moving below the line. We are still waiting for our entry confirmation. So the market stayed below this line for at least 7 to 8 hours, but it finally reached the line and it has closed above the line on this candle. So we will zoom in and then we will look for a possible entry. So this is the candle that closed above the line, and then on the very next candle it moved lower, confirming our second condition, but the third condition is not confirmed yet, and that is the market should close below the highest closing candle of this retracement. So that condition was met on this candle. So we will enter a sell trade on at the closure of this candle, and we will put a stop loss at the high of this recent retracement. And for the target, we will target this lower low. So this is a around 5-hour trade. Let's start and see what happens on this. So as you can see, the trade has resulted in profit, giving us plus 5 hours. That's it from this video. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and also comment down below if you have any questions related to this strategy. Also, if you are interested in learning the advanced concepts, don't forget to join the Telegram channel where I share advanced trading strategies.